In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to share games on Steam 2026. Start by opening the Steam application, then head to the top corner and click on your display name. Go down and select Account Details. Head to the side and select Family Management. You will need to be in the same Steam family as someone else to share games. If the person you're sharing games with is already in a Steam family, then they will need to invite you to theirs, as leaving a family requires you to wait 1 year before you can join another. Alternatively, you can create a new family by clicking the Create a Family button. Select the family name box, then enter a name for your family and click the Create button. Click the Invite a Member button. You may see your friends here. If not, then click the Search Friend List button. Select the person you want to invite. Then choose if you want to invite them as an adult or child. Inviting someone as a child will enable restrictions on their account. If the person isn't a child, then select Invite as Adult so they don't have any restrictions. Click Invite to confirm and the invitation will be sent. You can only have 6 members in a Steam family. To accept the family invitation, the person will need to be in the same household as you. Go to the top and select your display name, then select Account Details again. Go across and select Family Management from the side menu, then click on the Join a Family option. Here you will see your pending family invites. Make sure you're happy with the role you've been invited as. Then click the Accept button. Click Confirm and an email will be sent to the email linked to your Steam account. Enter the code sent to your email into the provided box, then click Confirm. You will now be added to the Steam family. Switch to the Library tab. Here, you will see all of the included games that you can play. Some games may have a number, which is how many copies of the game the Steam family owns. For each copy of the game, one person can play at any given time. This means there will need to be at least 2 copies of any given game if you want to play it with someone else at the same time. You now know how to share games on Steam. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.